Okay, so if you want to give a test on a Chromebook with Google Forms or something like that, but you're concerned about your kids actually going to another web page or Googling something that's on the test, I have found a way to help us with that. So if they open up their Chromebooks, and it only works on Chromebooks, unfortunately, they would not sign in. They go down here to Apps. And then the very last option is going to be Lockdown Browser. And so you click that. But I don't think I really did. And then this starts happening. And basically it locks down every other option that they can do. They cannot search for anything. And so what I would do as a teacher is I would say, okay, before you log in, before you get on the test, I have to see your green screen. That way they can actually prove that they're on this lockdown browser. They put in their name. Okay. And then for the link, I use the link from my shortened URL from one of my forms. So what I did is I went to my test here that they actually can see what I hit view form or preview, and then I copied this, and then I went to my Google URL shortener. If you've never used it, you'll have to use a bit.ly because this is out, but if you have used it before, you'll just have to log in to use it. And what I did is I pasted it here, and I hit shorten URL, and then it gives me this, which is actually different than what it was before. So let me jot that down real fast. Let's see, it is go.gl/. Okay, so I wrote that down. Now what you need to know is before this link, there's actually https://. Okay, so now I'm going to come back over here to my Chromebook, and I have that link written down for the kids. And what they would do is they would type it in here, https:// and then the goo.gl, not a dot, sorry, /QBYWS6. And so once they have it in there, they hit submit name and link, and they'll bring it to this. Now on my test, I have them, they have to log in. That way I have their email address, and I know that it's them. So they would log in. Okay, hit next, and then they put in their password. Hang on one second. I have to type it in with two hands. Okay, and they'd hit next after they put in their password, and then your test will pop up. There it is. Now you'll notice there's no way to go to any other, they can't go to another browser tab or anything like that. They will always have this green border around it. So as you're walking around and watching them, if they don't have that green border, well, they've gone back into regular Chrome, and they're actually doing it there, so they can't cheat. So just check for that green border. But that is one way to keep them from cheating.